Today we're gonna do another medium skid fade with the trimmer. We're gonna start the haircut. We're gonna start with the right side and we're gonna use a pick for curly hair. We are extracting the hair and getting it ready for the cut. We are making the fade going down. We are gonna make the silhouette of the haircut on the sides square. Start cutting with the scissors top to bottom. The top we're gonna leave it longer. Use the scissors in a vertical position around the head. Extract the hair with the pick again and continue cutting. We are gonna use number 3 with a closed blade going down. Then use number 2 with a closed blade also going down. Use the 1.5 with the hook going up. Remove the guard and open the blade to use the 1/2 or 0.5 to start making the line of the fade. After making the line, close the blade to use the 0 and use it a bit lower than you use the 1/2. The rest we're gonna cut it with the trimmer. We're gonna use number 1 with an open blade and we're gonna start making a way and blending it with the 1.5. We're gonna use number 1 with a closed blade and we're gonna use it close to the line we did with the 0.5. We're gonna start with the most important step of the cut. Remove number 1 and open the blade to use the 0.5 and we're gonna use it from right to left, only clearing the darker areas without rushing. Clean with the brush the cutted hair and go back, clearing the darker areas left it. We are clearing the darker areas left it close to the line of the fade. Close the blade to use number 0 and continue from right to left, only clearing the darker areas. use water to help the hair get the new shape. Continue making an exchange with number 1.5 depending on the length of the hair. We are polishing the fade. Continue blending the fade on the right side of the back of the head. We are using number 1 or half depending on the length of the hair. We can use it going up or going down. Before continuing with the left side, we can continue polishing this area with the scissors. Here there's some shadow left, we can use the corner of the number 1 guard. We're gonna start with the left side. We're gonna start using the pick to extract the hair, and we're gonna make the fade going down. We are gonna start cutting with scissors. We're gonna start top to bottom, leveling the hair on top, removing the excess of hair. We are gonna use number 3 going down. We're gonna use number 2 also going down. We're gonna use the 1.5 with the hook, close it, and we're gonna use it a bit lower than we use number 2. We are gonna make the line of the fade, remove the guard, and open the blade to use the half and make the line. Close the blade to use number 0 and use it a bit lower than we use the half. The rest of the hair cut it with the trimmer. We are gonna use number 1 with an open blade, using the corner of the guard from left to right, making a way and blending it with the 1.5. Use number 1 with a close blade, and sometimes you can stretch the scalp to extract the hair and cut it a bit shorter. Cut close to the border where we use the 1/2 or 0.5. Continue with the most important step of the cut. Remove number 1 and open the blade to use the 0.5, and we're gonna use it from left to right, only clearing the darker areas without rushing, using the corner of the blade. Close the blade to use number 0 and go back and clear the areas left on the border of the line. Start making the connection of the right side and the left side. We're gonna start using the 1.5 going down. Use number 1 open. Also, we can use it going down. This way you can cut the waves that grow up. We are polishing the haircut, we can use the 0.5 and continue blending. Here there's a shadow left, we can clear it with number 1. Here there's a shadow left, we can close the blade and continue polishing. We're gonna make the tape. We can use the comb to protect the longer hair and make the line. We're gonna shave the line of the tape using the straight razor and the shaving cream. This area we're not gonna shave it because we want to prevent ingrown hairs. We're gonna start with the right side of the tape. We're gonna use this part of the comb to protect the long hair and continue making the line. Apply the shaving cream on the right side of the tape and continue shaving. We are polishing the border of the tape. this is the final result. This was my technique of blending the line in a medium fade. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Here are some of my previous videos. I invite you to watch them, and if you like them, hit the like button and subscribe.